Okay. I just received an intelligence report, and it seems to be very reliable. Huwag na lang, because sige. There was a delivery done in of the 18 Marines. Supposedly the joint affidavit of the 18 Marines pointed to a delivery to one of the Congress persons, no? One of the congressmen or congresswomen. But when we investigated that angle, it appears that this delivery was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. That picture that was put in the affidavit was done during the time of Speaker Lord Velasco. So it is not an entirely accurate depiction of even pictures. What you see here is really a manipulation of facts to make it appear that that was that, but actually they were playing with timelines, and this is one timeline that they played with, that this happened before the term of President Marcos. Some of them, at least, one picture that was used in the affidavit would show us that it was done during the time of Lord Velasco as Speaker of the House. At least just one of them. I'm not talking about the others, but there was one picture there that was put in the affidavit that was actually taken before we assumed office. Maleta na dineliver sa isang tao. Ang report sa amin, pera yun laman. Oh, pero yung report niya, it was delivered during that time. So, you're talking about something happening before 2022. Ano dito? I have reason to believe that Mike Defensor was called to task already by people concerned with that picture that was shown. He was instrumental in putting together the affidavit. I think we all know that. He's not denying it anyway. I find out again, but it's a very reliable person telling me that that picture was taken before, during the time that Lord Velasco was still the Speaker of the House.